Our infinite white LED strip is a beautiful strip light great for a variety of indoor applications. As a superior product, the strip's constant current design allows a long run up to 65 feet with no voltage drop. Infinite White is a dimmable, long-run LED strip great for large-scale projects. A one-sided power connection with no voltage drop is 65 to 66 feet. A double-sided power connection with no voltage drop is 132 feet. Infinite White's quick and easy installation is made possible with its easy double-sided 3M adhesive backside. Simply peel the adhesive's backside and stick the strip to any clean and dry substrate. With GL LED's low voltage system, your project will be effortless and swift, and with a cost-effective labor expense.